Today I want to share one of my favorite Italian dishes with you. It's called bruschetta. Bruschetta is simple food at its best. There is no cooking, just chopping, mixing, and assembling. The main ingredient is the tomato. You need ripe, deeply flavored tomatoes for this to work well. You will also need a small red onion, a handful of fresh basil, and a couple of garlic cloves. For the dressing, good olive oil is essential. A splash of balsamic vinegar adds a gentle sweetness. Salt and black pepper finish the dish. For the bread, choose something sturdy with a good crust. A baguette or sourdough loaf works perfectly. Begin with the tomatoes. Chop them into small, roughly even pieces. Place the chopped tomatoes in a strainer set over the sink and add a generous pinch of salt. Toss them lightly and leave them for about 10 minutes. Salt draws moisture out of the tomatoes slowly, and the juice drains away into the sink on its own. After 10 minutes, give the strainer a shake to clear the last drops. Then tip the tomatoes into a bowl. They are ready to mix. Leaving that liquid in would make the bruschetta wet and heavy. Draining it keeps everything light and bright. Now add the red onion, chopped as finely as you can manage. A small amount is enough, just enough to add a little sharpness. Add 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, chopped very finely or grated. Use a light hand. Too much will overpower everything else. Now the basil. This is where a lot of people make a small mistake. Do not chop the basil with a knife. Instead, tear each leaf gently with your fingers. Chopping bruises the basil and turns it dark and slightly bitter. Tearing keeps it bright, fragrant, and full of flavor. Add the torn basil to the bowl. Be generous. In this dish, basil is not just a garnish. It's one of the main flavors. Pour in the olive oil. Use the best quality you have, extra virgin if possible. In a dish this simple, the oil really matters. Add a splash of balsamic vinegar. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Taste the mixture. You are looking for a balance. Bright acidity from the tomatoes, sweetness from the vinegar, and a deep, savory note underneath. Stir everything together gently, keeping the tomato pieces intact. Leave the mixture to rest while you prepare the bread. Slice the bread on a diagonal, about 1 centimeter thick. Toast the slices in a dry pan or under a grill until they are golden and crisp on both sides, with a little color at the edges. While the toast is still hot, take a halved garlic clove and rub it firmly across the surface. The heat opens up the bread and draws the garlic in. Now spoon the tomato mixture generously onto each piece. Don't be timid. It should be piled on properly. Take a bite while the bread is still warm. The tomatoes are soft and juicy, bright with basil, and faintly sour from the vinegar. The bread underneath is crunchy and carries that quiet warmth of garlic just below the surface. Everything holds together in a way that feels simple and completely right. This is bruschetta. Not complicated, not showy, just honest ingredients treated with a little care. You can serve it as a starter, bring it to a gathering, or make it for lunch on a slow afternoon. It always tastes like summer, no matter when you make it. Try it once, and I think you'll find yourself making it again and again.